Good afternoon, welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and today I have another special apartment to show you. This is the second time I've shown this apartment. It was really close to being sold, but the person backed out at the last minute. But this one here, I want to show you guys because the price point on this I think is really good. Very hard to get a skyline view like this in the city, right over by Éxito Wow, and in an apartment that was renovated just last year. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at the rest of the apartment here. This is a 67-meter apartment. It comes with one parking space. Again, it is fully renovated. It was renovated last year. Really nice kitchen. I'll put all the specifications at the end screen as usual. So they've got a laundry area here. Again, new appliances, wash sink, double door fridge. Again, this is a perfect starter apartment for someone coming to Medellin. And what I love about this location, this is right across from the Metro Poblado station. And if any of you are in the know, there's a lot of construction going along the Metro now because it's such a strategic place. So if you want easy access to the Metro, you're about 2.5 blocks away on Avenida Las Vegas, just so you know. So this is the principal bedroom. There's a little desk area right here. There's actually two TVs. Again, look at these views. Beautiful Medellin city views. By the way, air conditioning in both of the bedrooms. And a really nice washroom. Complete with a rain shower. As I said, I've shown this apartment before, and it was very close to being sold, but I'm not exactly sure why. It wasn't with me. This apartment belongs to my friend, but the deal fell through at the last minute. But again, my emphasis on this apartment is it's very hard at this price point. It's 650 million pesos. I will convert the price for you. But again, at this price point, hard to find in Poblado. Renovated, that is. You can still, if you hunt really hard, find an old apartment like this for probably, you're going to pay at least 125 to 140,000 even for something that you need to renovate. Let's take a look and see how close we are to the Metro. Okay, the Metro station is just over there. Super close. And Ciudad del Rio is just over this way here. And Mall Monterrey, the technology mall, is right there. And Patio Bonito is, actually we are in Patio Bonito, but Manila is just over this way here too. So you can see, and again, you can see all the new construction going along where the Metro is. So this is going to be a very strategic place in the future. And you've got a desk here. So this is the second bedroom. And then here you have your social bathroom and the bathroom for the second bedroom. Again, complete with rain shower, as you can see. Let's take one last look here. It's going to be a short one today. But again, I just want to emphasize that at this price point here, it may not be a deal per square meter, but again, when you consider the location, the metro, it's actually not too bad, to be honest. But again, at this price point, it's all about the price point. For people coming here, we get a lot of people asking, can you still find something under 200,000? And generally in Poblado, hard to do now unless it's an old apartment, and you're gonna have to put in anywhere on the minimum 50,000 to 100,000 for a 100 square meter renovation. It's kind of the prices now. So let's take one last look at this view. And again, the big thing for me is the proximity to one of the best grocery stores in the city, Éxito Wow. They have really good deli there. They've got restaurants within Éxito. You can buy appliances there. You can buy many things. So really, really good location. It takes from the back of the building here, where your parking is, it takes about 30 seconds to walk over there. So, and then you're about a 4-minute walk to the metro from here. Let's take one last look inside. All right, so if you have any questions or comments, always leave them in the comment section. I will put you in touch with the broker who is in charge of the apartment. They're actually friends with my friends who are selling this place. And again, as always, I'll put all the specifications at the end screen. So this is Ian from ExpatCrib, and we'll see you in the next video.